You're listening to the SBA Loan Experts Podcast, your source for information, tips, and education on the SBA loan program from SBA expert Chris Hearn, founder and CEO of Fountainhead, the nation's leading non-bank SBA lender. Here's your host, Chris Hearn.
We have a big announcement today for you, which is historically we've only done SBA loans of $250,000 and higher. But with today's announcement, we're actually lowering that all the way down to under $25,000. So we're going to do what's called SBA 7A small loans. It can be lower than $25,000 and it can go all the way up to $350,000. And it's an expedited process. It's not as much documentation from you. And we're really excited to do this because we feel like coming out of PPP, where we were very, very active, there's just such a demand for these smaller loans that have traditionally not been met by the banking community. So we're very excited to do this. If you have a need for loans, working capital predominantly, under $350,000, we'd encourage you to reach out to us so we can try to help you right away. So you might be wondering why we're moving into this space. We're still going to continue to do SBA loans above $250,000, but we've been able to use technology substantially over the last couple of years to allow us to make it much more efficient to go down market to try and help you. So we get so much requests for these smaller loans, and frankly, it's a much better transaction for a business owner than some of the alternatives that are out there where people are paying, double-digit interest rates, much shorter terms, much bigger down payments. You don't have that with a SBA 7A small loan, which is why we're very excited to bring this to the community. So we hope that this is exciting for you, and we encourage you to reach out to us if you have any situations that you feel like could be benefited by all this.
Today's episode is brought to you by Fountainhead, the nation's leading non-bank SBA lender. Fountainhead's team of SBA experts will guide you through every step of the process and get your loan closed faster and more efficient than any bank. Apply today online at FountainheadCC.com. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time on the SBA Loan Experts Podcast.